What's up, YouTube? So today I am back with another YouTube video.
Had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Yeah. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip pole. Jack girl, pretty face with a big pole. Elevator smoked out on the top floor. Asian door, treat a bitch on like hoe.
So, as y'all can see by the title, y'all already know what I'm finna be doing today. Before we get into this video, did I already say that? Before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys comment down below more videos you guys want to see. So, as y'all know, if y'all didn't watch my last video, I think it's gonna be like 2 videos ago. It was a video of a day in the life as a teen entrepreneur. So yeah, so basically, as y'all can see, as y'all know, in that video I was trying to do my desk a little cute and bought a few things to make it look cute. So I have bought this. I actually got this. Ooh, shit. So I got this. It's a girl boss. It's supposed to go on the desk, obviously. This is the old computer desk, but I had this in my room and I just decided to bring it down here. Basically, it's for your desk or whatever, because period. Okay, my little notebook, iPad, this little thing, I'm gonna take it off the desk, and this is what the video is about. I'm gonna be putting these lights up. These are LED tape lights or whatever. So yeah, and then I got my little tripod on here, and then I need to get me a little, I probably already got one, but just a little thing I could put like pens and stuff in. And then I got this thing that I got from Hobby Lobby. It says hustle for the weekend. It's already got money in it or whatever. And it's some change, so yeah, and I need to throw this away. So yeah, and then let me show y'all. Y'all, like I said, this is like the storage room or whatever, so I still gotta like figure out where I'm gonna put most of this stuff at, cause like right here it's like this little coat hang up thing. There's a coat hang up thing right here, and then right here is stuff like water. Okay, let me just show y'all. This room need repainted. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but let me just flip the camera and show y'all. So y'all see that it need repainted. But yeah, let me flip the camera, y'all. I still want to ring light, but as y'all can see, this is like the little coat thing. They got wrapping paper. See, this is like the storage room. We got Kleenex and stuff. And then right here, we got waters for, you know, the pandemic or whatever. Our book bags and stuff. Rallies had. And then up there, we got a little bit of fireworks or whatever from like a long time ago. Just basically stuff that we just keep in here, like, you know. And then right here, I don't know if this gonna let me, but it's like this. Oh my god, hold on, let me take it off this. Y'all, so I just took apart my homemade ring light that I made. If y'all want me to show y'all a video on how to make this thing, let me know. Basically a shoe box or whatever. It got some of our shoes in it. So I already had this, but I don't know what that is on this wall. But I need to clean. I still need to clean up. But right here, this is basically a little light thing. Let me show you. I was gonna put luxury captions on it. I've been had this, but I can't find what I did with the letters. So yeah, and then I got this little tape thing. I don't know why, but it was cute. And then this pink trash can or whatever. And then in the last video, y'all kind of seen what was inside, but basically these is my charms and my bangles and my split rings and some pins and all that. We have my packaging stuff. I actually just got this today. I got this from Dollar Tree actually. It's a 10-piece, so I can put it on my packages because I don't need nobody breaking my bangles. Okay. Labels or whatever. I got some thank you cards because I had ran out. Even though these is like too big, but I need to get some. Get my bags and then this and yeah. My packaging. I need to reorganize because it got messed up because I just threw stuff in there or whatever. And then I had got these in my room. I'm still gonna put them in my room. I got these for y'all. And then there's like more charms in here like that. Tassels and stuff. And more charms and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I am about to put these on around these walls and stuff, don't know how it's gonna look. I don't know how I'm finna do it, but let me turn the camera around here. Yes, y'all, I'm finna do it. I need to change these blinds right here and stuff. So yes, guys, it is hot. Because I've been moving around. We just went grocery shopping and stuff, and so I am very hot. But yeah, y'all. So basically, that's what we finna do or whatever. Ways I'm doing a giveaway for y'all, so y'all stay tuned or whatever. So basically, this was just a little tour. So now we finna get into trying to figure out how to put these on the wall or whatever, or how I'm gonna do it. Like, the whole purpose of doing it is setting a mood in here. So I don't know how far they gonna stretch. I really want y'all to see them in the background whenever I do the videos, but I don't know, because y'all can see like it go like that, like a, I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna figure something out, but let me put y'all on this tripod. Y'all, it started out look like somebody's mother. Like, and let me, it's raining outside. Yes, guys, I've been trying to upload because, period, I need to post videos for y'all, period. Okay, so this is what we got. We got these from Walmart, y'all. These was $25. Like, baby, who? You know I ain't buy these. Guess who bought them? My mama, because, baby, who? Who? Don't play. Yo, I should bring this right here so y'all can get a little bit of good lighting. Yo, we finna open this up. So here are the lights. These are the lights. I hope this is right. We got the remote. I'm gonna jump into showing stuff. We got the plug or whatever. They only have ones for like the TVs and stuff. Yeah, I was gonna get the 65-inch one because that's the one they have, but my mom told me no because it's not gonna be long enough. So, and then I'm gonna be looking salty. So I'm gonna just look through this and then figure out like how I'm gonna do this. I'm probably gonna set y'all up on the ring light. So yeah, so y'all, so I'm gonna plug this up. Hurry. This was off the, oh, I should have took this off the wheel, but I'm just gonna see how it works. So let me unplug my, let me see if it works. Wait, I gotta take a picture. Right now, look, they on the ground. To figure out how I'm finna put these up. I'm finna set this camera up and I'm finna let y'all see how I do this, and that's just on period. So let me see. Hold up. That's fine. Look, y'all. It's gonna be so lit up in here. So let me figure out how I'm finna do this, set up this camera and do all that, and that's just on period. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, baby. ponytail. That was easy. I mean, what? I just lied. That was not easy. It was not easy, like, at all. It's crooked a little bit. Let me fix this. Not easy. And whenever I show y'all this, I don't want y'all to talk about me because it's crooked, okay? So I'm finna show y'all, and then I'm finna show y'all a little slow-mo of this room. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I ain't gonna show y'all like the storage and stuff. I'm gonna just show y'all my part. So yeah, y'all don't mind my hair, like I said. Yeah, so this is it with the lights. Oh, baby, period. So like I said, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I ain't gonna show y'all me cleaning up, y'all, because yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all me cleaning up, and then I'm about to show y'all the whole room. Y'all don't mind. This room is basically gonna be like different colors, like no or whatever. So it's about to be different colors a little bit, because I gotta get a rolling chair. This is actually my brother's chair that I'm in. Oh, it sounded like a party, but I didn't. This rolling chair that I'm in is actually my brother's, so I'm gonna have to find me a chair and a new desk because I'm not gonna be using this for long. Or I might, I don't know. I'm just redo it, spray paint it or something. So yeah, y'all, I'm finna clean up, and then I'm finna show so bad. Look at that. That is so bad. But period, don't play. Shop with me. Shop with me. Yo, so I forgot to show y'all I could switch. I got this remote. I could switch. Yes, sir. Y'all, so I'm finna edit this video like don't play. Boss. Hey, okay. A little pink little vibe going up in this thing. Whew. Oh, I like this red though. It's a whole vibe of it. Light back on. That is the end of this video. Comment and subscribe, and comment down below if y'all want some more of my entrepreneur videos, period, because I will do them. It's okay. Don't play. So yeah, that's in this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below more videos you guys want to see. Peace and blessings. Peace. Golden.